creating awesome. Step 1. Draw a triangle with rounded corners. Step 2. Add some depth. Step 3. Draw the crust. This is just a curved line. Step 4. Draw some seeds. You can do 1, 2, 3, even more if you like. Step 5. Draw a cute face. 2 googly eyes and a smile. Step 6. Ink the lines. Remember to use long fluid strokes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done. You did it! You made a super cute and healthy new little friend. See you next time. Bye bye.